Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix search bar not responding or no showing results here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is here at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together to open this small window called Run. Here you need to type regedit all in uppercase. Once you're done, click on OK to proceed. So the moment you click on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to give consent to run the registry editor as administrator. Here you need to follow this registry path. Okay. Just have to type this at the address bar. Okay. Just have to simply post this video to take a screenshot or to take a note of it. Again, it is key underscore current underscore user backward slash software backward slash Microsoft backward slash Windows backward slash current version backward slash search. Just have to click on enter so that you'd be able to see the folder name searched. Okay. So here you need to select the searched one and then proceed to the center and go with a right click here at the area where no one is being showed. And then here you need to go with the word 32-bit value and we need to rename this into being searched enabled. Just type exactly what I have shown it here, okay? Make sure that you have renamed the correct name, okay? Then type it here. Again, it is being searched enabled, no space in between of the letters, and then click enter. Once you have created it, just have to do a right click and go with modify and change the value data into 0. Okay, so once you're done, click on OK and then close all of these folders. Close the registry editor window as well, and then here you need to restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.